Being lost in the magical land of Oz might not sound like a bad thing, but poor Dorothy really wants to go home. She's heard the Wizard of Oz has a new project that can help her, so she's walked the whole yellow brick road to the Emerald City. But the details are a mystery, and with no idea of what the wizard can actually do, Dorothy has set her expectations very high. If she's going to become a customer of his, the wizard needs some tricks up his sleeve to keep her satisfied. Ensuring customer satisfaction is about much more than having great deliverables. It's all about the customer experience. But how can you be sure that every customer or client will have a positive experience with your business? How can you let them know what to expect? And how can you satisfy customers who had an experience with your project that didn't meet expectations? This course is designed to show you how to manage customer expectations, deliver exactly what you said you were going to, and give customers a great after-sales experience. What you learn here can give your business the brains, the courage, and the heart to keep all your customers satisfied.